Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be doing some more brawl box opening. I actually just found out the password to my old account, when brawl first came out, I don't know, 3 years ago or something. I don't know, and I just actually did all my quests for the season and got a bunch of boxes. Also on social media too. So people will just be opening them up. Before we start the video, I'd like for everyone to like and subscribe for good luck in your next box opening. Alright, let's get right into it. So I think we're gonna start with off the trophy road. Oh, here's my brawlers first. We have Rosa already. We got Poco, Bull, Jesse, Barley, Colt, Nita, and Shelly. So yeah. Let's check my percentages of everything. Right now, we don't have that much chance of legendary, which is what we're hoping for. We got pretty good percentages on everything else. I mean, mythic and pretty much everything else stays the same. So yeah. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start off with Trophy Road, actually. Go ahead and click this. Box, let's see. Oh, we already got him. Let's see who it is. Oh, we got him. Yeah, let's go. Alright, next one. Some more coins. Alright, more of this. Obviously. Alright, we got 2 more. Nothing. That's so lucky this game. Alright. On the trophy road. We actually have a lot of stuff. Not trophy road. Nothing in this big box. Okay. Brawl gun. If I get a legendary brawler out of this game, I'll never stop playing this game. Alright, we didn't even get anything. Alright, nothing again. Nothing. Dang it. Please. Oh, I thought we got something for a second. Nothing. Mega box, please. About 6. Yes, we got it. Okay. Oh god. Please. Give me something good. I shouldn't have been asking for something like this. Nothing. I want to check my percentages again. You still have about the same for legendary brawler. Nothing again. From mega box and stuff. Nothing. 50 Nothing. 5 items remaining. No. Dang it. I don't even know if now my luck. Legendary ball must have gone up a little. No, I haven't even gone up that much. What? We're burning them. Nothing. Dang it. Nothing. Everything is gonna go to Shelly. I need to do this. Right? Yeah. Alright, I can upgrade every single one. No! Get some. You have to give me. Open up a box first. Another luck. I'll open up another box. Actually, one more now. Okay, mega box. Give me some more. Where is it? 5 items. Oh my god. This title is gonna be most unlucky boxing. Finally, 6 items remaining. We actually have a brawl. Okay, Brawl God. Please, if this is a legendary brawler, everyone like the video and subscribe. Oh my god, it's a legendary! Everybody go like and subscribe right now! Everybody do that right now! We got Pro! Let's get it! Holy, that was so lucky! Alright, it's not over yet. We have like a few more boxes. And we got something. I'm saying, if this is a legendary brawler, Mommy, let's go! We got an epic brawler. Let's go! Alright, imagine if we actually get it. But everybody, this is the most insane thing. I've actually never had Nani or Pro. I know Pro is really good and Nani
I'm so sorry.
is straight up OP. I know that for sure. But that was insane luck. At the end, I thought it was all gonna be over. I thought it was over. I thought we weren't gonna get any more lucky. Well, apparently we did. And we got Pro in a row. Let's go, boys. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Peace.